Google Ads location settings. In today's video, we will be talking about location settings. I will be explaining to you and directly show you live in the campaign how to use the location settings, how it works and what things should you keep in mind. This feature is extremely important because when you create any campaign and when we teach you how to create a campaign, the location settings are must in every campaign because without it you cannot reach your target audience in that area. So now listen carefully to each and every word and understand it because every single thing is important. For the location settings, we will first go to my computer screen and start the campaign and then we'll see the option. So here you can see. Right now I am in my Google Ads account and here I am inside the campaigns and I am going to click on this new campaign. And so now when you will be creating a new campaign, like I'm clicking on the new campaign. So then during the campaign creation process, when we select any of our goals or create a campaign without a goal, whatever you want to do and you have selected it. So here we are going to the search option and then here we basically selected continue. And then we put in the website that we have marketingfundas.com. In the campaign, we will put our website and put the URL. Then I copied the URL, then went here and pasted it and selected continue. Okay. Now I am not teaching you here how to create a campaign. I am just taking you to the location settings. And then after that, I will only need to show you how to use the location settings. So that is the main focus behind teaching you. And now you can see we have come to the location settings option. Clearly you can see it. So we have three options here. The first one is all countries and territories. Second, India, and enter another location. Now the first option that we have of all countries and territories is never selected because any specific business will not be showing their business ads in all the countries and in all the states or all the cities at once. Second option is India. If you are in India, then yours will also be the same. If you are in Canada, the US or any other country, your option will appear and it will be there from the time you created your account. So you would have finished selecting your country. But if you want to start running ads in the whole country, so then you will be selecting India like me. Friends, but then here what generally will happen is when we are wanting to set the specific location, it's not logical that you selected all of India. So if you have any product or any service, but then you will not be having the customers or your target audience for every location. So if you will be showing the ads to your customers in those locations as well, then due to that your budget will not be utilized and you will be wasting 2000 rupees a day. 1500 is used properly, but 500 rupees is wasted in targeting audience which you do not need for your products or services. You are just wasting your budget. So this is also a very important part of budget optimization because if you are targeting the right location and the audience, then you are not overspending and not wasting money in the wrong place. So for that we will be clicking on enter location, then another location. And then we will click on the advanced search. After clicking on it, you will see two options. The first one is location and the second one is radius. So first we will be talking about the location. Here when I put in the location, let me put in Delhi first. Now let us say I put in Delhi. So here the Delhi Union Territory option came up and also the options of include, exclude, nearby. So here if I am putting in Delhi, if I want to show the ad there, then I will select it. Okay. And let us say that I have taken the option of Mumbai. Also, now here you will say why is the exclude option coming up? Let us assume if I had selected all of India. And in India there are few states where I do not want to show my ads. So I'm selecting India but I've added Mumbai here and excluded it. So the ad will not be shown in Mumbai. Or else, okay, let's take another one state-wise. Let's say I've selected Delhi. Now in Delhi, I put in Preet Vihar. I am just taking an example. Now in this option here, I have excluded Preet Vihar. Now what happened? Now you can see here that Delhi is completely selected. But then the area or the part of Preet Vihar in Delhi that has been excluded and the ads won't run there. So with this, you will be able to make your location more specific where you want to show it. The second thing, there is one more option, radius. So now this particular radius option basically comes up where there are showrooms, stores, institutes and coaching centers and clinics. So when we talk about them, obviously their major business is limited to a particular area. Let us say as an example, if there is a coaching center or a doctor's clinic and it's in Preet Vihar, or let us take the example that it is in Lakshmi Nagar. So I'll write that Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi. I selected Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi. Now, when I am done with selecting Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi. So within Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi, what do I need to do now? I will have to edit it. I need the radius for Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi, and I will be needing only 5 kilometers. And I want to show my ads only within this specific area. So now I have selected here a 5 kilometer radius that is around Lakshmi Nagar because my institute is located in Lakshmi Nagar. And within this radius around the particular area, my ads should be shown or my coaching center is there, whatever. So in this way, and I'm not saying that you have to do the location and the radius in the same particular campaign. No. This is going to be a good practice and only if you are running multiple campaigns, then in the campaign where you are selecting the location, do not set a radius in that. And if you are doing radius, then don't set the location. If you need to target using both radius and location, then create separate campaigns. Wherever you want to target a specific location, put the name of that location. And when you are using radius, so then target around 4 or 5 kilometers from the center point of this area. You can show the ads based on radius, and it depends on the nature of your business and what kind of targeting you want to do. If your business is of a specific kind that you have to operate online and you can show ads anywhere or you can have multiple locations. If you are providing a service, then you target locations. And if you are targeting only an area, then you will select the radius. So in the location settings, whatever you already selected and whatever you need to do, so just save it first. You should not be confused. And if you want to select any specific areas, then you will have to go to the advanced search and select whatever areas you want. Location wise or radius wise, it should be clear. If you practice, it will become even clearer. Now, here the most important thing is that the game doesn't just end. Most people just select the location and then if you want to run ads in Delhi or in Mumbai. Okay, so I've set the target. Now let's run the ad. But is it that if the ads are to be run in Delhi or they are to be run in Mumbai, and not all the people there are your target audience, as it is practically not possible. Here too we will waste our budget. So now we can see the location option and below there are 2 more options. Earlier there were 3 options. Now what is that? Presence. First is presence and interest and the other is presence. Now to explain this, I have created a slide and I will be showing you that slide once. This will be easier to understand. Look, this presence. When we talk specifically about this presence and interest, that is when we talk about the first option. People in regularly in or those who have shown interest in your included location, and the example is also included. The keyword is NEET coaching. Now what is the target location for NEET coaching? Delhi. And what is the user's location? Delhi. So here the ad will be shown and your ad will be seen. Because you have targeted Delhi and the user is also living in Delhi, which we have already selected before, presence or interest. So now we have the second example. So the presence is understood and the institute is in Delhi, the user is also in Delhi. So we have our target location as set as Delhi only, but then the user is from Mumbai or from Goa or Gujarat. But what is this user searching for? NEET coaching in Delhi. Now NEET coaching in Delhi means that he is sitting in Gujarat, but he is searching for NEET coaching in Delhi. It's not uncommon for people to come to Delhi to study from different states or countries. So they will be finding a coaching center while staying in their own city. Whatever is online will be online. It's not like someone will come from Gujarat or any other city just to search or talk about it. So because your business is of that type where you want to target a specific audience and you want your business to be seen, and when someone is going to be searching for this particular coaching or business in Delhi, whatever is shown to them, even if they are sitting somewhere else, is called interest in that area. Okay, so then here, this is the example specifically for the first option. So you'll have to think about what your business is, who you want to show ads to, and then you'll select your target audience based on that. Now, right after this, the second option is presence, which refers to the people in that area or included in that location. Let us say that your coaching center is in Delhi and target location is also Delhi, and the user stays in Jaipur and is looking for NEET coaching in Delhi. So when this user enters that he wants NEET coaching in Delhi and that his location is Jaipur, so the ad will not be shown to him. So yes, if he is now putting in NEET coaching and his recent location is Delhi. Now this is a very subtle and specific point. The point in and regularly in that area. So the word in implies that if your target location is Delhi and your coaching is in Delhi. So when someone is searching for it specifically in Delhi, so it will be shown to them. And whether if they keep coming and going to Delhi and they do it on a regular basis, let's take an example. The user lives in Haryana and he comes and goes to Delhi on a regular basis, so it will be shown to him. Okay, so what happens here is that they are specifically targeting those people particularly who regularly go to that place or come from that place or those who live there, and not show to people who are showing interest by sitting in Ahmedabad and showing interest in Delhi. So then, now friends, think about this point that I was telling you while we were discussing the location. Selecting it above and by using location targeting in Delhi or in Goa, so it is not going to be enough. Along with that, who are we showing these ads to? What keywords will they search for? So all this will be selected from these two options, presence or interest, and then presence. So I explained the difference between them. Now the location settings is a very specific aspect. And using this specific setting, you will be able to save a lot of money from your daily budget. And you can show all your ads to more number of people who you actually want to show them to, instead of showing it to people you don't want. So this is a very good way to optimize your budget. If you understand the targeting correctly and do it properly, you can save a lot of money. So you can reach your real customers that you actually want to target, and there are higher chances of genuine clicks and genuine inquiries as well as the genuine sales coming in. So I hope you won't forget these location settings. If you enjoyed it and understood it, let me know in the comment section.